In today's video, we are going to be creating miniatures videos like this. So the first step is preparing your prompt, and as usual, you don't have to do too much work. Just go to the description of this video and either join my Telegram or WhatsApp channel to get this prompt. Then copy the prompt and go to your ChatGPT and paste the prompt. It has been prepared for you. So after you paste the prompt, it is going to tell you that it has understood what you asked it to do. Of course, you can tweak your prompt, and after it has understood what we want, then we're just going to type the object, food, or anything we want. So I said a giant pizza, and it is going to generate both the text to image and image to video prompts. So first things first, copy the text to image prompt at the top. Once you copy it, head over to your Google Gemini app, open it. Of course, you should have installed it. After you open it, tap on create image, then paste the prompt and send it, and just give it a few minutes or a few seconds. It is going to generate your image for you. You can check out my channel to see other tutorials on how to use Google Gemini. So our image is ready, and we just press down on it for a few seconds and tap on save, and it is going to download to your phone. After it has saved, come back to ChatGPT and copy the code for the image to video. Now go back to Google Gemini again and open a new tab, open a new chat, then tap on create video. This time create video. So once you tap on create video, then paste the prompt. After pasting the prompt, just remove the top part, which is image to video prompt, and tap on the plus icon to bring in the image you just saved. That image you generated that you saved, bring it back in and add the prompt. So once you bring it in and you add the prompt, send it, and it is going to take some minutes, about 40 seconds to 1 minute, or even if it's more than that, within 2 minutes your video will be ready. So as soon as it's ready, you are just going to tap on it, and okay, our video is ready. So once it's ready like this, you can just play it and listen to it. It will generate the sound and everything. Then you can just tap on the download button at the right hand side of the video to save it to your phone. And as soon as, look at the download button right here, and as soon as you download it, you can open it from your gallery, create as much as possible, and start posting them everywhere. So thank you so much for watching this video, and I will see you in the next.